Hey there, it's Chris with Clean Street Pressure Washing. Hey there, we are on location in Dunedin, Florida. This is a returning client's home. We're doing a house wash for them today. This one is very well maintained. We do this one at least once a year. The typical things that we're going to see here will be the bugs inside there. Deposits around windows, electrical. You'll see your typical buildup around the garage door area here. Have some stuff up in the faucets or soffits. As you can see right here, you get quite a bit around these windows. Get a lot of the insect nests all along that area there. We have some stuff inside this window frame here as well. We'll blow all that out. Put some chlorine on these stones so that they lighten up. Rinse down this patio area for them as well. Screens look to be in good shape. Don't really have anything looking too loose or torn. So everything should be good to go. Again, up here you'll see some insect nests and so forth in the soffit areas. A little more around these windows. But we are all set up. We're going to get this camera on the tripod and we are going to get to work. looks like we wrapped this one up just in time. We are done here with this house wash. As you saw before, had a lot of bugs and so forth built up, especially around the front door, electrical outlets, windows, areas like that. But these soffits are cleaned up really well. The bugs are gone, the mildew. Clean this pad over here for them as well. As you can see, all the window sills. We got rid of all the leaves, the bugs, all the insect nests. We did clean their patio for them. These little walking stones have all been hit with chlorine, so they're white again. We are all finished up. Time to head out to our next stop.